Hey guys, I'm gonna play piggy, and like I'm telling you, I still play piggy. But if you wonder why I didn't upload videos every Sunday, well, it's because I don't get time to put videos on my phone. I keep forgetting where it is, and that's what I'm like. I like forget where's my phone. But I'm telling you, I'm not dumb, okay? If you call me dumb in the comments, I will I will erase all of my piggy videos and never see them again. Okay? Let's start the game. Okay, that's it. Oh, carnival looks different. It was Christmas past. And I hope you like the Christmas. So yeah. Ooh. No, 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 no. Oh no, God. Oh, he, I want him. Okay, now we're gonna show him win since I did what anything. What? Oh no, so now I'm using it on a keyboard. If you see B, 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 we can see that. What's to charge? Has gotten away. But, bruh, that's die. Okay, now there's actually two players, but we need to. Okay, remember I said that in one of my videos of Piggy, If you don't remember, just go to my channel. It's called Little Kid Sponsor My Little Pony and that's my channel name. My first time saying this. First time saying this in a video. And what they're gonna be, Carnival has been selected. It can be infection, It can be infection, like, okay, the picky play since you don't wanna be undisgusting picky. Skin disgusting picky. Oh, no, I'm also now on the channel, guys. This is Lonnie, so yeah, on the channel 45. Oh, and also I couldn't find anything since my mom would not give me the bill back, but that's why I paid her in the first place. Okay. E- yeah. Oh, Blookie. I didn't get the Blookie. Maybe I can get the Blookie. Get like oh, okay. Get get no what? Why did I lose every time? Why am I losing? If you see in the back, we are about to leave, so I'm doing a quick video. Okay, we're about to go. That doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh no! 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 I have to talk to someone because I was. Oh no! Oh no! Where you going? Well, I'm done with this video. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. You can end the video. Just say, I quit. You know what? I'm turning up.